A 2Local is a loyalty platform that supports local to local and sustainability. It is tapping into banking with native L2L tokens which are designed to rise in value as part of cashback system. The goal is to achieve a sustainable world with prosperity for all. That is basically the L2L token all about. It is basically a XLM based token. It means it is on the mainnet of XLM. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. First of all, I will tell you something basic things regarding the L2L project, the 2Local project. Okay, first of all, we are going to read the white paper in which we will get all the vision. Here you can see supporting sustainability and bringing prosperity with the 2Local platform by rewarding local to local and sustainable purchases. The 2Local platform is equipped with a payment app including a marketplace with local and sustainable companies with a monthly cashback for payments with L2L coins which are designed to rise in value. In short, you can say it like this: 2Local is an innovative blockchain 2 powered loyalty program that is tapping into banking with L2L coins which are designed to rise in value. The goal is to achieve a sustainable world with prosperity for all. The 2Local platform has a payment app with a decentralized L2L wallet that is a marketplace for consumers to connect with local to local and sustainable companies. Basically, the thing is this: for example, you are at the one part of the world and you want to purchase anything from another part of the world. So what type of mean of the payment you will send? The thing is this: L2L will basically make it easier for you that you can use their basically payment app and you can send the payment and receive or purchase whatever you want to basically purchase from any part of the country. That is the whole theme regarding the L2L. And also you can see the using the L2L coins at these connected companies will result in a monthly cashback and a rise in the value of the L2L coins that will cut out high transfer costs and provide a free loyalty program. A 1% fee is charged from every transaction and this is used in the cashback system. Monthly purchases of a small amount will result in a you can say the proportionally higher cashback. The cashback is bound to a maximum so that the neediest will profit the most. That is the basic theme of L2L project. Right now they already basically make their own wallet. Here comes the entire wallet of secure.2local.io. You first of all have to sign up on this platform because it is entirely secure for you and you can hold your token directly on their wallet and it is entirely easy. You must have to basically put your username, your email, then you have to confirm and obey all the terms and conditions, then you have to solve the captcha and click on the next, and then you have to put your password, confirm password, and easily sign up on their main wallet. It is entirely easy and you can hold your all the L2L tokens directly on this wallet. And right now you have the chance to buy this token, but before moving on I will show you something main things regarding this token. First of all, the IEO is ongoing on P2P B2B exchange and also on the La token exchange, so you have the chance to buy this token directly from there. And very soon you can see one thing, that on the livecoin.net the IEO will start. But that is that is not the end. Basically the thing is this: right now you can also see that it is available on the ICO Marks and it got the ranking of 9.7 from ICO Marks, and on the ICO Bench it got the ranking of 4.8, and also you can see on the Coin Codex it got the ranking of 4.7. Here you can see the main things: the Yahoo Finance, investing.com, these all basically published the entire articles regarding the 2Local platform, that what is it all about. Here you can basically read it by yourself. The L2L token is a unique sustainability focused cryptocurrency that maintains a stable yet rising exchange rate, performing the role of a buffer between digital assets. That is such a great thing regarding the Yahoo Finance that they basically wrote up the entire article regarding L2L platform. Here you can see all the main magazines which basically published the article regarding two local platform. Here you can see the mobile apps. Right now the mobile app is available, so if you want to hold your tokens L2L, the L2L tokens, you can basically directly hold these tokens in the mobile app. You have the chance to download the app in the Play Store and also on the iOS and the App Store. And here you can see buy L2L tokens via app. You can basically directly buy this token via app, and also you can get the profit while depositing the L2L tokens in the mobile wallet. So it is basically like this. And why you are going to use two local, that is such a great thing. Here you can see emerging crypto market unique cashback system, tokens designed to rise in value, sustainability and business. Multi-currency wallet, it means you can basically save the multi tokens in that very mobile wallet. So that is such a great thing. Marketplace of connected companies. So this is basically all about the L2L. So as I told you, first of all you have to create the wallet by just basically entering your username, your email address, and then your password and confirm password. Then you get your address of L2L, and also you will get the referral link which you can use with your friends, and with the help of that one referral link you will earn number of L2L tokens. Right now the IEO is ongoing, and you have the chance to buy this token directly from the P2P B2B exchange, and very easily you can basically buy this token in BTC, Ethereum, USD, USDT and XLM, and it is very easy for you to buy this token from here directly on the P2P B2B exchange. So if you like my video, kindly hit the like button, and also if you have any type of questions regarding the platform, you must have to contact the entire team. The entire team is available for you, and the support is available for you 24/7. So you must have to contact them if you want to know something more regarding the platform. Thanks a lot.